Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? If someone tell me to upcoming time there is a lot of chances so they will move upward, so I think he is completely right now, my brother. Because the current condition is very critical now, so we predicate this coin video technical analysis. Also, my friend, the expert what say, my friend, expert about Dogecoin. I will also tell you. I will also update you, my brothers, to what's the latest update of Dogecoin. Everything, my friend, in this video. So kindly, holder, be honestly like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type or urgent and updates videos now. This time, my brother, first of all, if we check out the Dogecoin change occurring, so just in last 1 hour, this is inappropriate. Otherwise, in last 1 day, last 7 days, last 1 hour, last 1 day, my friend, all change occurring will be negative now. That's mean to this time, my brother, Dogecoin is completely and the loss now. So what's the reason to this? This coin is in the loss. The main reason is that, my brother, so this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down in the start of month. So therefore, I don't care, my brother. Absolutely, I hope, my brothers, to upcoming time the price will be increasing now. So why, my friend, I will fight for this. Let's see, my brother. Expert says to upcoming time there is a lot of chances, and I also, my brother, after my research, after my friend prediction, absolutely, I'm 100% sure to upcoming time they will move upward now. Let's, my brother, live predicate this coin to what they do. Let's see, my brother, especially short prediction, my brother. You can see, my brother, after every cryptocurrency after fails they will take a jump. So this time, my brother, the circulation is continuously, and the last point is you can see, my brother, the arrows is moving upward now. So that's mean to upcoming time there is a lot of chances to they will move upward now. So yes, absolutely, I'm 100% sure there is a lot of chances to they moving upward now. And if you know, my brothers, to upcoming time they will move upward, so why are you waiting? Hold it, my holder, my viewers, my subscriber. I hope upcoming time the price will be increased, but just and only you need to hold. See you next time, holder. Please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.